Investing in your future requires making smart choices. And with options like Roth IRAs, stocks, and real estate, the decision can be overwhelming. But there's one investment that consistently outperforms others in times of uncertainty. It is gold. In today's video, we'll explore why gold isn't just another option, but the cornerstone of a strong portfolio. We'll compare it to other top investments and discuss why it should always be a key part of your strategy. Plus, we'll introduce Augusta Precious Metals, a trusted company that sells gold, silver, and other precious metals at very competitive prices. If you're considering adding gold to your portfolio, Augusta Precious Metals makes the process secure, straightforward, and affordable.
It's insurance.
I think I agree with you 100%. I don't really care about the next 5 months because that's not an investment horizon for me.
Yeah.
But I think in the long term, gold certainly does continue to go up because of exactly what we said. We're de-dollarizing because we've got nothing to because we're de-dollarizing, we've got nothing else to de-dollarize in. Right now, there's only one other neutral network which is not owned by any of the players, right? And that neutral network is gold, right? Like, if you think about currencies are all linked to a specific country. Gold is not necessarily linked to a specific country.
Right.
It's the second network. Now, the law of network effect says that it's called Barabasi's law, and I can maybe break down network effects, but the law of network effect states that in the absence of regulatory interference, users will flock to the busiest nodes. So what's the busiest node? The busiest node is the US dollar today. So let's just think about what network effects actually are. If a network is defined as anything where each individual user increases the value of the network exponentially. Okay, so let's just quickly define that. If we talk about WhatsApp, which is a telecommunications network. If there are two people on the network, myself and Adam, the maximum number of calls I can make on the network is I can call you and you can call me.
Gold's universal value sets it apart from other investments like stocks or real estate. While a stock is tied to a company and real estate is subject to local market conditions, gold is a global standard of value. This makes it the ultimate neutral network, trusted across borders and cultures. Stocks and real estate offer growth potential, but come with market-specific risks. Gold, however, provides a unique safety net that protects against these uncertainties, making it a must-have in any diversified portfolio.
Here's an article from Forbes. Why gold is a good investment right now may be set for a new record price. Gold prices are approaching their all-time high with a 10% increase this year, driven by investors seeking a safe haven asset amid economic uncertainty. UBS predicts gold could surpass its record price, setting a target of $2,200 per ounce by next March, citing factors such as weakening U.S. dollar, banking sector stress, debt ceiling concerns, easing interest rate expectations, and the likelihood of a recession. Gold's price surge is primarily influenced by macro variables rather than supply and demand fundamentals. UBS analyst Cleve Ruckert notes that gold's price is driven by factors like U.S. real estate and the strength of the U.S. dollar. The surge in gold price is unique as it is unrelated to its case. So, use case. What do you think is going to be happening with gold?
Well, I think it's a question of timing, right? So if you say, is it 5 years or is it the next 5 months? I'll go ahead and start by saying that I think everyone should own gold, and I don't really see it as an investment. I just see it as insurance. So regardless of the price, I always put it 10% of my portfolio.
Roth IRAs and stocks are excellent for long-term growth, offering benefits like tax advantages and compound interest. However, these assets are not immune to market volatility and economic downturns, which can erode their value over time. This is where gold's role as a safe haven becomes crucial. As global economic uncertainty rises, whether due to inflation, recession fears, or geopolitical conflicts, investors turn to gold to preserve their wealth. The surge in gold prices reflects its enduring appeal as a hedge against risk. While other investments might see fluctuations, gold's value tends to rise in times of crisis, making it a stabilizing force in any portfolio.
What do you think is going to be happening with gold?
Well, I think it's a question of timing, right? So if you say, is it 5 years or is it the next 5 months? I'll go ahead and start by saying that I think everyone should own gold, and I don't really see it as an investment. I just see it as insurance. So regardless of the price, I always put it 10% of my portfolio. because I don't care if the price goes up or down. It's just purchasing power. It's that insurance policy. Now, if you say the next 5 months, I would say my base case is that gold actually goes down, believe it or not, because I think that it's overbought. And if you look at history, going back to COVID or the GFC, when you have a crisis situation, gold actually goes down because it's the only thing on the balance sheet that these big funds can sell. It's the only thing that has a bid because it's doing its job, right? So if you go back to Lehman Brothers, you see that gold just crashes. And then once rates get down to zero and the market says, okay, we've kicked the can down the road, as Pat was saying, because we did all this, we'll call it quote unquote money printing, then gold rips higher. Absolutely rips higher, and it did the exact same thing during COVID. So if you say the next 5 months, I'd say there's my base case is that gold actually trades lower. But if you say over the next 3 years or the next 5 years, I think it goes way, 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 way higher. But I don't know in real terms, definitely in nominal terms. But again, that's with the caveat of I think anyone should always own gold pretty much at any price because it's not an investment.
Real estate and Roth IRAs are often seen as foundational investments for building wealth, each offering unique advantages. Real estate provides tangible assets that can appreciate over time, and Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth, making them both attractive options. However, these investments are not without their risks. Real estate markets can crash, and the value of a Roth IRA is tied to the performance of the stock market. Gold, on the other hand, serves a dual purpose. It's both an investment and a form of insurance. It protects against the volatility and risks inherent in other asset classes. Owning gold ensures that no matter what happens in the real estate market or the stock market, a portion of your wealth remains secure and accessible. This clip emphasizes the importance of having gold as a fundamental part of your financial strategy. Roth IRAs, stocks, and real estate each have their strengths and benefits. But gold remains the ultimate safeguard for your wealth. It's more than just an investment. It's a cornerstone of financial security that stands strong in the face of market fluctuations and economic turmoil. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, gold should be at the heart of your strategy. Augusta Precious Metals makes it easy to purchase gold, silver, and other precious metals at great prices, providing the security you need in these uncertain times. Click the link below to learn more about how Augusta Precious Metals can help you secure your assets today, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video.